CloudQuery is an open-source, high-performance ETL framework with support for plugins written in any language that has libraries for Apache Arrow and GRPC. As an ETL framework, CloudQuery simplifies data transfer from a source to a destination. Using source plugins, it collects data from any API and using destination plugins, pushes that data to your targets. So let's discuss sources and destinations. Out of the box, CloudQuery has a wide array of both source and destination plugins ready to go. Fundamentally, these plugins are individual microservices that conform to a gRPC API spec. In the case of source plugins, the service collects information and adapts it into tables using our Apache Arrow-based type system. In the case of destination plugins, the service is responsible for taking the tables it receives and converting them into a suitable storage format. So in the rare case that we don't have an existing integration, you can easily create your own using one of our SDKs. The fastest way to find an integration and build a config is to hop over to our integrations page, select the platform that you want to pull data from, for example Snyk, and then the destination that you want to push data to, for example Sqlite. The integrations page will then pull together all the information you need to get started with those plugins. The integrations page delivers installation instructions for local implementations, but you can find instructions for the most popular deployment solutions in our main docs. So following these instructions, I'll select Windows and switch to the PowerShell subtab. Then I'll copy the command and paste it into PowerShell, accepting any alerts that come up. In the next section, we see the boilerplate for the Snyk plugin. To use it, I'll copy it into a new file and populate the missing information, such as the API key and any organization IDs. Unless you're using Snyk Enterprise, you don't need the endpoint URL field, so feel free to delete that. Scrolling down on our instructions, we can see the boilerplate for the Sqlite destination plugin. In this case, just copy and paste that into a new file. Finally, scrolling down to step 4, we have the sync command. I'll copy and paste that into our PowerShell and make a couple of changes like adding a / to the front and a .exe to the end of the command. From here, we can analyze our data and do things like calculate the mean time to fix for detected issues, or the average number of issues seen per month. If you have any questions, drop us a comment or join the Discord. The link is in the description. That's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more content from us.